Daily English Conversation Practice for Beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to practice daily English conversation for beginners. If you want to speak English confidently in real life, you must practice small conversations every day. Many beginners understand English, but they feel nervous when speaking. The reason is simple. They don't practice daily conversations. So in this video, I will show you some simple daily English conversations that you can use in real life. Let's start. Part 1. Greeting someone. Greeting is the first step in any conversation. Here are some common greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Example conversation. Person A, hello, how are you? Person B, I'm good. How are you? Person A, I'm fine. Thank you. Another example. Person A, good morning. Person B, good morning. How is your day going? Person A, it's going well. These are very simple sentences, but they are very useful in daily life. Practice speaking them loudly. Part 2, introducing yourself. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. Example. Hello. My name is Rahul. I am from India. I am learning English. Conversation example. Person A, hi, what is your name? Person B, my name is Rahul. What is your name? Person A, my name is Amit. Nice to meet you. Person B, nice to meet you too. Another example. Person A, where are you from? Person B, I am from Kolkata. Person A, oh nice. Self-introduction is very important when you meet someone new. Part 3. Talking about daily activities. Now let's talk about daily life. Example sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work. I study English every day. I watch YouTube to learn English. Conversation example. Person A, what do you do in the morning? Person B, I wake up early and drink tea. Person A, do you study English every day? Person B, yes, I practice every day. Talking about daily activities helps you practice English naturally. Part 4, asking simple questions. Questions are very important in conversation. Here are some easy questions. What are you doing? Where are you going? What did you eat today? Do you like coffee? Example conversation. Person A, what are you doing now? Person B, I'm watching a video. Person A, where are you going? Person B, I'm going to the market. Asking questions keeps the conversation alive. Part 5, conversation at a shop. Now let's practice a conversation at a shop. Example, customer, hello. Shopkeeper, hello, how can I help you? Customer, I want a bottle of water. Shopkeeper, here you go. Customer, how much is it? Shopkeeper, it's 20 rupees. Customer, thank you. Shopkeeper, you're welcome. These small conversations happen every day in real life. Part 6, conversation with a friend. Example, friend A, hi, what are you doing? Friend B, I am studying English. Friend A, that's great. Friend B, yes, I want to improve my English. Friend A, do you practice speaking? Friend B, yes, I practice every day. Talking with friends is one of the best ways to improve English. Part 7, talking about likes and dislikes. Example sentences. I like tea. I like reading books. I don't like spicy food. Conversation example. Person A, do you like coffee? Person B, yes, I like coffee. Person A, do you like watching movies? Person B, yes, I love movies. These simple sentences help beginners speak comfortably. Part 8, ending a conversation. Now let's learn how to end a conversation politely. Common sentences. It was nice talking to you. See you later. Have a great day. Goodbye. Example, Person A, it was nice talking to you. Person B, nice talking to you too. Person A, see you later. Person B, see you. Ending a conversation politely leaves a good impression. Final advice. If you want to speak English fluently, remember 3 important things. First, practice speaking every day. Second, don't be afraid of mistakes. Third, use simple sentences in daily conversations. Part 9. Conversation at the restaurant. Now let's practice a conversation at a restaurant. Example: Waiter: Good evening, sir. Customer: Good evening. Waiter: What would you like to order? Customer: I would like a cup of tea. Waiter: Anything else? Customer: Yes, 1 sandwich, please. Waiter: Sure, I will bring it in a few minutes. Customer: Thank you. Another example. Waiter: Are you ready to order? Customer: Yes, I would like fried rice. Waiter: Okay. Customer: Thank you. This type of conversation happens very often in daily life. Part 10. Conversation on the phone. Phone conversations are also very common. Example: Person A: Hello. Person B: Hello, is this Rahul? Person A: Yes, this is Rahul speaking. Person B: Hi Rahul, this is Amit. Person A: How are you? Person B: I am good. How about you? Person A: I'm fine too. Another example. Person A: Can I call you later? Person B: Yes, no problem. Practicing phone conversations will help you speak confidently. Part 11. Asking for help. Sometimes we need help from others. Example conversation. Person A: Excuse me. Person B: Yes. Person A: Can you help me? Person B: Sure. Person A: Where is the bus stop? Person B: It is near the market. Person A: Thank you. Person B: You're welcome. Another example. Person A: Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Person B: Yes, it is 5 p.m. These are very useful sentences in daily life. Part 12. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is very common in English conversations. Example: Person A: How is the weather today? Person B: It is very hot today. Another example. Person A: It looks like it will rain. Person B: Yes, the sky is very cloudy. More examples. It is sunny today. It is raining today. It is very cold today. These sentences are simple but very useful. Part 13. Talking about hobbies. People often talk about their hobbies. Example conversation. Person A: What is your hobby? Person B: My hobby is reading books. Person A: That's nice. Another example. Person A: What do you like to do in your free time? Person B: I like watching movies. Person A: That sounds fun. Talking about hobbies makes conversations more interesting. Part 14. Practice. Tip for beginners. If you really want to improve your English speaking, follow these simple tips. First, speak English every day. Second, don't translate in your head. Try to think in English. Third, practice small conversations. Fourth, listen to English videos and repeat the sentences. Remember, practice makes progress. Even if you speak only a few sentences every day, your English will slowly improve. Final conclusion. Learning English is a journey. You don't need big or difficult words to speak English. Simple sentences are enough to start. Practice these conversations daily. Speak with your friends, your family, or even by yourself. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. And one day, you will speak English naturally and confidently. Final closing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below and tell me, how many sentences do you practice every day? Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving your English. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.